Ozi Baba. One day, I meet one man for road wey travel come from far far. Him tell me say na Sahara desert him follow come. Him say as him dey waka on top Sahara dey come, him see statue wey him body don nearly break finish. Him say na only him big big leg dem na him remain. And if you waka go front small, you go see another part of the statue again. The head wey don break commot, e chook for inside sand. I dey look the man for eye as him continue to dey talk. As I look the head well well, I see say e dey frown face, dey vex. I wish say you see am with your own korokoro eye. You sef go gree say the person wey mold the statue sabi work well well, because this statue wey I dey talk so na statue of one of the oga patapata wey rule Egypt tey. Just as the statue carry nose up, squeeze mouth, na so this oga sef dey do. Dat man wicked die. Na koko the same stone wey dem use make the statue, na him dem use make the man heart. E con get something wey the man talk say him see on top the bottom for where the statue suppose dey stand. My name na Ozymandias. Na me get power pass for this life. All of una wey think say una get power, una no reach. Make una think am well as una dey look this statue. Make una look. Una no dey fear. I no be anybody mate o. But now, the man continue him tori. The statue don chop finish. Na only in pieces scatter. And that one sef, na if you fit find am for inside Sahara wey sand full.